Hello, welcome back to BK TV. In this video, we are going to be talking about Efsane project. Okay, it's a testnet project that means you'll be earning gems. Do you know that once you register with my referral link via the description of this video, or you can also check the comment section of this video, you are going to be receiving frozen EF $6 worth of EFS. Now, you may be wondering what EFS means. EFS is a token that Efsane will list once they launch. Now, if you go to personal center, this is your personal center once you log in. Once you click on your personal center, you're going to see sign in. This is sign in over here. So once you click on that sign in, you're going to be receiving 400 gems on each day. Look at what you are going to be receiving any day, every day. Once you log in, that is what you are going to receive, and anyone who register under you is also going to receive the same 400 with me. Now, if you sign in for 2 days, you are going to be receiving 2000 gems. Okay, Efsane is going to launch their own blockchain very soon. For you to partake, you need to sign up daily. Do you actually know you can even withdraw once you have up to $11? Let me show you. So look at it here. You can withdraw. We have deposit, we have withdraw, we have transfer, we have flash swap. So this is it. Once you have up to $11, you can withdraw. Another thing is that Efsane is also an exchange. So don't play with this information. Now, for you to also get your own invitation link, you go to invitation reward. So look at invitation reward over here. This is where you get your own referral link. Okay, so this is it over here. All you have to do is just to tap on copy and you are good to go. Now, as you can see, we have step 1, we have step 2, and we have step 3. And this is how you are going to earn. Okay, now in step 1, are your direct referrals, while step 2 is friends who registered from those who registered under you. Okay, then step 3, each person receives each rewards. Okay, so these are the overviews. These are direct invites from me, team members invite, and then commission for invitation. Then these ones are numbers of team members each day, every day. Okay, so this is it. So this is for me. So another way to earn is through Rocky Draw. Let's get to Rocky Draw. So look at Rocky Draw over here. You just tap on Rocky Draw. Just hold on, the page is loading. You can actually play a game here, and they are very easy to do. Okay, there's nothing really difficult. Okay, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's loading. So all you have to do, you choose from here and you place your own bets. So it's as simple as that. So these are the prizes: first place, second place, and third place. Okay, there's nothing difficult for you to do here. Please, I have a previous video on this for those of you that have not registered. If it's your first time watching this, I'm going to drop the link via these comments, via the description of this video, so you can go through it. And also, if you've not registered, please, I'm also going to drop my referral link. Okay, subscribe to this channel and follow me on Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Thank you and have a lovely day. All right.